Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a carousel photo reel on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to create a carousel photo reel, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on the plus option and the top left or sometime it might be here. So you just have to tap on the plus option and here just select reel from this section. Once you have selected the reel, you just have to select multiple photos, or if you don't find the multiple option, you just can easily enable by tapping on this copy option here. Now you have to select the multiple photos you want to add to your Instagram reel. You can select up to 20 photos at a time, and once you have selected, just tap on this next option here, and here you can add audio on this screen, or you can skip this one or select the next option if you have added the audio. Or on this page you can do some editing for on your video, or you can directly download it from here. You can add captions, add a voiceover, add different filters, control the voice. You can trim your video, or you can add different AI generated effects, or you can add stickers or text on your videos. Once you have done, just tap on the next option here, and here your video is now ready. You can get a preview by tapping on this preview option. So your reel will be look like this, or you'll find on the screen here. So just go back. You can also add cover or thumbnail. So once you have done this, tap on the share option and it will be shared to your profile. So in this way you can easily make a carousel photo reel on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.